Hey there guys, today I'm getting a padlock for you. This one's going to be from Blackdog. There's a close-up look of it. It's a shrouded padlock. There's the front, there's the back, and this padlock, let's call it maybe a Blackdog shrouded padlock, 50 millimeters. Here's the packaging right here that it came in. There's the front of it, and here's the back. So there's a look at the packaging that it came in. Let me go ahead and put that down. Give you guys a look at the key bitting. Lock does work. It doesn't have any security pins in it. I believe it's 5 pins. There's a look at the key bitting right there. Put that down. Show you guys that the lock is working. There it is unlocked. Go ahead and lock them back up. And to pick this lock, I'll be using my Peterson Pry Bar, the thick one. Put him in here at the top of the keyway for tensioning. And I'll be using number 1 hook pick from Peterson's Slender series. These are 0.015 thick, so they're really flexy. So it helps you get up inside the keyway. I'm just going to go to the back of the keyway, start pushing up on the pins. There's the 5th one, 4th one. Felt like the 2nd one. Maybe it was the 1st. And let's see. There it is, 3rd one. It's really hard to tell what's going on inside this lock because I think the springs are a little bit, what's the word I'm looking for? Not as strong as other locks. So it's kind of hard to tell which ones are being set. But there it is, picked open. It's going to be the Blackdog shrouded, 50 millimeters. As always, you guys, thanks for watching. And you guys have a good one.